Welcome to our new channel, Life Raising Sheep. Life Raising Sheep is basically what it implies. We're going to tell you through the channel all about our experiences, what we've learned, and basically tips, tricks, all that sort of good stuff all along the way with raising our Icelandic sheep. We've been raising Icelandic sheep now for almost 10 years, and you'll probably recognize us perhaps because we are a branch of Hickory Croft Farm. We've made some decisions along the way, and we've decided to separate out our sheep content into its own channel, and hopefully you'll enjoy following along.
Well, for us, sheep have become a major focus of our homestead farm, raising food and other things for ourselves. And so what we've noticed over time, for anybody who's followed along with sort of our original Hickory Croft Farm channel, we've decided to split it up, as a spoiler alert. And one of the splits is to talk about our sheep, because we definitely find there's a lot we could talk about with the sheep, and it just kind of gets lost in YouTube under the bigger homestead umbrella. So if you have followed along with us under our sort of main channel, which will also be changing, spoiler alert, continue to do so, because you'll find that over the 3 channels that we're kind of splitting out, the story will still be there. You'll get the sort of integrated story if you watch all 3. But by going this route, we're hoping that the artificial intelligence of YouTube is a little bit better at figuring out that we're bringing you some sheep content on this channel.
So on this channel, you're going to see spinning, dealing with wool, shearing, health and maintenance of your flock of sheep, probably some discussion on the costs of raising sheep, because that's another big one, and also milking. That's to come. We haven't actually done it yet, but that is a journey that we're going to take you along for as we figure out if we can make sheep a triple purpose breed, because that is one of the main perks to them on the homestead scale. She loves attention.
So for anybody who has followed along with us for a very long time, first of all, thank you very much. It's always much appreciated, and we're glad that you enjoy what you've seen to date. But you'll have to bear with us, because we are migrating a lot of our older sheep content from the other Hickory Croft channel over onto this channel. So you're going to see some of the same videos, and they're older, but we are keeping it to videos that make sense to have as part of the story. And for those of you who haven't followed along with us from the beginning, or who may have just found this channel, hopefully you find it interesting to see some of the backstory. Obviously, it's not going back 10 years, because we didn't start filming any of this until 2020, but you're going to see some snippets, at least, of where we started on this property in our journey in raising sheep.
Hopefully YouTube has put this in front of you, and hopefully you're thinking that maybe it's a good idea to follow along. So don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, hit the bell, all that YouTube mumbo jumbo, so you don't miss out on anything. And be sure to check out the other channels that come along with Hickory Croft Farm. We'll link them below in the description. Definitely, and join us for this vloggy but instructional journey.